Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a card making kind of day. Well, I started actually, when did I start? I don't remember. Whatever, I'm just going to show you some cards. Okay, so let me just slide these over so I can show you one by one. Okay, so I made this one. And this one is really plain. I haven't done anything much to the inside. But I still think it came out super cute. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you get all that glitter. She's gorgeous. So she's one from the Polka Doodle Dolls. This is Happy Birthday from Alina. This is the flower from Coco and Reno. This is the flowers that you would get for May. So cute. And then the inside, I just did that. So I didn't do much. So that's card number 1. Still cute. This is card number 2. And again, actually they're all polka doodles. So this one's also from Polka Doodles. That's Helga. And I think she's so cute. And this is again the flower from Coco and Reno. This is the paper from Maggie Holmes. And then that's the back. And then this one has a little wow in the inside. So when you open it, look how pretty. You see that? So the paper itself is butterflies, but then when you open it, it's like a garden of butterflies. A garden. My daughter's already looking at me like I'm crazy. A field of butterflies. How cute. Isn't this nice? And the card stands. And this card was obviously inspired by Sam from Mixed Up Craft. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, pass by her channel. It's super cute. She did hers with flowers, but I want to do mine with butterflies. And right here, this is where, you know, you write your little sentiment. So we got that one. So cute. Then the next card is this one. Again, also using the polka doodles. I did a little trimming in the bottom. The back is like that. This one opens with Velcro. 2 Velcro dots. And then when you open this one, you ready? Ooh. Isn't this fancy? You got your birthday cake. It says happy birthday. It's like a mini explosion. Look. Ooh. I love this one. Look at that cake. But oh my God, this one took me forever. So I really don't think I'm going to do this one again anytime soon. But look how pretty. And this one I followed Jan Brown's tutorial. And it's a really long tutorial, but she gives you step by step. Okay. Look how pretty. I love it. And that one just stands like that. Like you could leave it on your desk. Look how pretty. Like I really like this one. Okay. So this is card number 3, closes like that. Cute, right? Okay, the next one is this one here. And this is a die that I use from KSCRAFTS. And it's designed by Nicole. Let me slide these over a little bit. And the die itself is this piece right here. And this box. So it's meant so you can, you know, add your little goodies, make your card. Look how cute. And you put this on someone's desk. Look at that. Like, I love this. Again, I also used the Polka Doodles doll. I think it came out so cute. This is obviously a card that you're not going to fold. Well, unless you take this off, it does fold. Does it? Actually, no, it doesn't. I thought it did. I think it did. Oh, you know why? Because I glue this piece down. Nicole shows it where you don't have to glue that piece, but I did. Because obviously this is not a card I'm going to mail. This is the card that I would leave on someone's desk with maybe some chocolates inside. Look how cute. I will put the link to this die in the description bar. I will also put Jan Brown's tutorial and Sam's Mixed Up Craft tutorial. So you guys can follow along and make your cards. They come out super cute. You guys tell me which one was your favorite. I like to hear you guys read your guys' comments. And that's it. So I hope you guys liked my cards. I'm trying to get them all in frame here. And that's it. Bye.